Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see the programs related to the exceptional handling in the Python. So we are going to use this exception handling. So to avoid the errors, actually the program is going to be correct, but due to errors which is going to occur, even though the program is correct, we'll call it as runtime errors. So to avoid that, we will use this exceptional handling. So we'll see the syntax of this exceptional handling is we can use a try and except syntax. Try the statements, except the statements. So try, inside the try we are writing the statement like x7 a is 0. Okay, so print x plus a. So we want to print this x plus a. So except type error, assume that the error is going to come for this a, like this quotes we have used here. So that is except that error it is going to print. So after that, print check values, print out of try except block. So out of try except block means this block. So what is going to print here? Check the values and out of try except blocks. So that's what the output is going to print because of this. Second example, x integer input enter the numerator, y integer input enter the denominator. So try, what you should try and accept. So try, the statement is result x by y. So division is happening here. Print result and res, that is this one. Assume that the y is 0 at that time. So program is correct, but it is a runtime error. That's why we should avoid this. That's why we are writing here except 0 division error. So except this 0 division error means print denominator can't be 0. So this y can't be 0. Suppose when you are entering this x value, whatever apart from 0, y value, assume that if you enter 0, then it is printing denominator can't be 0. It is alerting us. Then example 3, try and except block. Within that we are writing at 2 here, 2 except blocks. We can write the multiple except blocks. X equal to input, enter the number, y is equals to x plus 2. Print y, we should print this y. So once we go for the output window, we will see this x value. If you substitute, if you give some number, that plus this it will give and it is going to print it. But if there is an errors which is going to occur due to the keyboard interrupt, so we'll write except keyboard interrupt, print please enter the number. Except value error also will write print please check the input. So any type of keyboard errors, value errors, we will write this. So based on this also, here instead of writing this, you can observe 2 times except we have written. So instead of writing the multiple except, we can write this in a single except. Right, try same as like this, then x and y as like this, print y, except keyboard interrupt as well as the value error. So print check the value input. Okay, so this is how we can do the exceptional handling in case of the programming called as Python, right? So I hope you understood. Stay tuned to this channel, click on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.